Welcome back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, spokesperson for Limoneira's Take a Healthy Stand campaign, and your host of the Peelin Good Tour. The Peelin Good Tour is well underway and our tour influencers have been sharing so many amazing ideas already featuring Limoneira Citrus. Let's take a look at some of the amazing ideas our tour influencers have shared on social media. We also have so many amazing new content creators and influencers who are joining the tour, and I cannot wait to see their recipes, DIYs, and creations featuring Limoneira Citrus. And here's a look at our new influencers joining the Peelin Good Tour. In case you missed it, we have an amazing video sharing all about the Peelin Good Tour that we've posted on our YouTube channel. I will link that video below in the video description box. You can just hop on over, watch the video, and get caught up to speed on the Peelin Good Tour. And for more information, you can head to peelingoodtour.com. And did you know that you can order Limoneira Citrus to be delivered right to your door? Just head to freshfocusdelivery.com. It's also October and we have so many amazing recipes to share with you right here on the Limoneira YouTube channel to celebrate autumn, to celebrate fall. So make sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube channel so you never miss a video, and you can expect a new video every single week sharing fun recipes, DIY, and lifestyle content featuring our favorite Limoneira Citrus. Don't forget to follow Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and the peelingoodtour.com to stay up to date with all things citrus. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!